as you saw, we had gone to Isha Foundation, and from there we were traveling to Pondicherry, which was like a 8-hour drive. Now the language is a very big barrier here, so we were trying to explain the waiter that we wanted neer dosa. Overnight soak. Breakfast, and this is ghee puri masala dosa. Filter coffee time. Filter coffee review. It's nice. It's not the OG black coffee vibes, but it's strong.
One eternity later.
We just checked in. This is a hotel, and this is literally the beach right there. My sister taking a room tour for her birthday. Tomorrow is her birthday. I'm so done for the day. I want to just freshen up, have a shower. Nice room. This one is good. I think it's better than mom dad's room. Yeah. Oh, crazy sunlight. So cute. They have the map of Auroville here in their passageway. We're not going there, but this is cute. We were staying at Promenade in Pondicherry, which is at the White Town. The view from there was This is the beach right next to our hotel. The sky looks so good. That's our hotel. Pondi is definitely as beautiful as they call it to be. That's the pool right here. It's pretty compact, sweet, cute. After food, we're gonna go swim. We were very, very hungry, so we quickly had some lunch in our hotel as well, and the food was very good. Hi guys, we're just going to swim, a quick dip. The sun in my room looks amazing. I always have like crazy sunlight, so I'm gonna do a lot of get ready with me's also here, and we're ready to swim, take a dip. There's just nothing much to do. We're cafe hopping and swimming and relaxing, so that's what we're gonna do. This is the pool. I plucked a flower for some content. It's so cute, it's so pretty. Really needed to just dip inside the pool. We had a very hectic travel day. This is my outfit, guys. We just did the swimming thing, and now we are heading to do like a cafe hopping situation. Love this bag. This is my friend's. This used to be a dress which I made into a skirt, and this cute top, and this hair clip with the ear cuff. So this is my outfit. Okay, so every cafe was like a 5 to 10 minute walk from the place where we were staying, but the amount of looks we were getting. At the famous Coromandel Cafe, let's see what the hype is all about. We ordered the Nutella coffee and paneer skewers. This is very nice. It's too good. No doubt the vibes at Coromandel Cafe were very fancy, very bougie, but it was priced a bit too high, and also the food was not that great to like pay that much. But overall I would give it the food like a 6 on 10. But the vibes I would give it like a 8 on 10. Cake is out, so we are cutting a croissant in Pondicherry for Didi's birthday. HBD, she redid her lipstick so that we could take a cute video. Woo! Yay! 16, sweet 16. It was IPL final, saw RCB win, and that was for day 1. Good morning, guys. Today is the second last day on our vacation on this short cute trip in Pondi. Today is also my sister's birthday, and yesterday was very low-key. We went to Coromandel Cafe and it started raining so heavily, so we couldn't really like go anywhere else. Also, this place doesn't seem like something that would pop at night. It's more like a day cafe hopping situation. There were a lot of young people dressed out really cool, but I was personally getting very conscious because the kind of looks you get, people are not like, people are in saris on the beach, so the kind of looks you get here is crazy. So learn from that, gonna wear a more appropriate outfit for the place. Anyways, everything here is so aesthetic. It is so aesthetic. So I wish to get some good content. Today is all about celebrating my sister and doing all the things she loves. So we start off with that. I'm gonna go grab some breakfast. My mom just went and she was like, breakfast is really good. So I'm very excited to eat some food that is not filter coffee. I've had a lot of filter coffee. I need my black coffee now. And this is much a very big change from Isha Foundation, I must say, because there I wouldn't even be able to shoot this. I had to talk in such a, oh yeah, this, like in a low volume and everything. Then I can do whatever the fuck I want. Yeah, so very different kind of trips we've had in the start and now, because I was posting stories. One was like in a kurta in a temple, this, that, and then bam, next to a pool in a swimming costume, and like, woo, having fun. So it's been a different kind of a trip, but like I said in the start that it's going to be. Either ways, everything here is so aesthetic. I was just thinking if Bombay looked like this, all the Instagram bitches would eat. Like everyone would look amazing. Everyone's Instagram would look like the most Pinteresty Instagram. It's a Pinterest place, like it's so Pinteresty. But anyways, come with me for my breakfast and then we will carry on with the day. The beach looks so pretty, like it's so clean, looks so nice from here, but it's so sunny, can't step out. Nothing a great breakfast cannot fix. Took some fruits. There's a fruit yogurt. This is some spinach, cheese, not a lasagna, tomato, and that's a chicken bao. I will definitely go back to Pondi just for the breakfast at the promenade. The breakfast was like a 10 on 10. Like it was so good and so wholesome. Yeah. Queen's birthday, Instagram queen. My heart's queen. So cute. This waffle is the best part of the breakfast, and with some black coffee, like something so sweet with my black coffee, tastes amazing. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish that you get to celebrate all your birthdays with me on out of town. Calories on vacation don't count, and I have shamelessly had too much. Doing something comfy with a tote bag. Coming back to reality. Happy birthday, Didi. Wherever you're gonna be in my vlog, I'm just gonna do that. And made this so cute hairstyle. And I did a tutorial on Instagram for it. So if you don't follow me for cute stuff. And that's the look. You're going for your birthday lunch. Where are you taking us? That's the right question. Everything here is so aesthetic and pretty. Not that, but like that's Coromandel Cafe. These walls, this famous wall. It is so hot. I'm walking with a blue chata. It's really hot. Come to Auntie after a very long walk. More than Coromandel, I would definitely suggest Auntie. Trying out this new Italian beer. It's called. Even though we ate a little, but the food was very good here. What sushi is it?
Avocado cream cheese.
We're gonna do a taste test. The sushi took a while to come, so. We both have to have it together. We have sushi standards. 8 or 9? 6 or 9? 8 or 9. I have really high sushi standards.
I think I like the cream cheese and that's one.
Then we were just strolling around. Cutie. Ice cream has started dripping for content. It's so hot, but this is the famous GMT gelato. White Town is a lot like Carter Road, the promenade at Carter Road. My parents were doing this fun activity thing they were very excited about. Houses are so pretty. This entire promenade is so pretty. Just walk. It's like Carter Road, but a bit more fancy than that. somehow Didi's birthday we always end up on a beach right next to it, listening to the ocean. Happy birthday, Didi.
Thank you.
And then we saw the sunset by the ocean. We took a quick pit stop at Le Cafe. Very pantry kind of a vibe. That was the old lighthouse, very French colonial vibes. Hi guys, I'm shooting in the washroom because my sister is making one noise outside. But happy birthday! And this is the outfit. A lot of like gold starfishy jewelry going on, and I have a starfish belt also. I'll show it to you. But simple outfit, nothing too like jewelry is a lot. But I don't feel like this place is too preppy and like everything else is aesthetic for sure, but beyond that इतना कुछ है नहीं कि like ओ सबको पार्टी करनी ये करना है वो करना. It's just pretty, it looks nice और कैफे में खाओ बस और सनसेट देखो. वो जो बीच की उल्टा फेसिंग है, it's just stupid I feel, but of course geography and all of that. But the sunset was super nice, the ocean was really pretty, and otherwise it's a very slow life kind of a vibe. This top I got from Savannah. I have not figured out how to wear it. I've just tied it into a bow. And tomorrow we are going, so I'm excited to just get back to working out honestly, because I haven't worked out in a bit and I miss doing that. So yeah, just having like a rooftop dinner just in our hotel on top. The hotel that we're staying in actually has many good places, like people from outside come here to eat, so we're just gonna eat there as well. And this is my outfit. Love the belt. The food at Bay of Buddha was pretty good, but the place where we had our lunch was way better.
Let me mix wasabi.
So strong. Stop crying, it's okay.
I'm not crying.
Last day in Pondy, grabbing a little breakfast because we have to check out there. And then after checking out, we might just go to Bread and Chocolate. It's very famous. And get ready, probably. Some of us are really not doing this. I'm very used to getting like looks now, but gotta do what you gotta do. And yeah, I'll just probably sit by the pool if possible. So that's about it for today for the trip. It's been low-key chill. I've been eating this bao, this chicken bao. It's amazing. It's the best bao I've eaten in my life. My sister has not come with her shoes for breakfast. A quick dip before we leave for Bombay. I'm loving the whole gold and black. This place is so pretty. Gonna miss this view. Today we are checking out, like everyone's here to take our bags and all. This is my outfit, and I'm gonna wear a shawl on top because the crowd here is pretty not the best, actually not good at all. So this is the look. Very happy to go to Bombay. We'll just have lunch at Bread and Chocolate. It's a very famous place, and then come back, just freshen up, change our outfits, and then go to Chennai airport, which is like a 3-hour drive from here. Look at this couple. खुद ही अपनी trip पे आए हैं. There's us. I to look like some ashram ki baba only today. The famous Bread and Chocolate. Sabko, I'm so happy to see Sabko here. This is an iced mocha. My first good. We've had coffee, second coffee here in Pondy. But then Nutella thing was like a milkshake. This is amazing. It's so strong. Shield myself like that. Go, Mal, go. This is the Pondicherry reality, guys. यहाँ इतनी गर्मी है. I'm literally like, it's so hot. I have to. I'm looking scary. I'm looking like a nun. I'm looking like a milkmaiden and a nun. This is a museum. Looks really cool, but we can't go because our car is on the way. This is the museum, the inside of it. That was for our short and sweet stay in Pondicherry. Love the place, not the people as much because they literally stare at you head to toe. They've never seen someone wear clothes like that, so that is a very sad part overall about Pondicherry. But the place itself is very nice. Back to Bombay.